Secluded and Private, just minutes from Myrtle Point. Comfortable 3-bed/1 1/4 bath 1-level home sitting on 6+ acres. Large 4-car attached carport and approximately 18 by 24 shop. Certificated domestic river water rights with new UV purification system. Large family room and a laundry room with canning kitchen. Friendly fireplace in the living room with gas insert on the dining room side. Call your agent for a showing today. A true gem waiting for a little updating to really shine.